Okay, so in this tutorial, we're going to talk about inheritance. So what is inheritance? Inheritance means acquiring traits of something else. And this is what you've studied in your 10th class biology. But in computers, in Java, inheritance is the property of a class. Okay, inheritance means acquiring properties of another class. Okay, it means acquiring traits, acquiring properties of another classes. Okay, this is what we call inheritance. A class acquires property of another class. This is what we call inheritance. Okay, now today we're gonna see a simple code based upon inheritance, based upon the concept of inheritance, that how a class acquires properties of another class and display it over the board. So here, first of all, I'm gonna start from the starting. So new file. Okay, so let's create new project. Okay, it will be good for you. So a new project, Java. Let us say the new project is inheritance 1. Inheritance 1. Okay, so this is the new project and this is my main class, inheritance 1. Okay, so now create some another classes in it. So where is inheritance 1? Where it is? Inheritance. Okay, this is inheritance 1. Okay, so in it I'm gonna create some another classes. Okay, so let us say I'm gonna create only one class, and that class is inherit 1. Okay, so this is the class I've created under the project inheritance 1. Okay, so first of all here I'm gonna write what? First of all here I'm gonna create another class. Okay, so that is class, let us say it is snake, class snake. Okay, so in class snake I'm gonna use a class method which is the static one. Okay, it will save my time, static will save my time, so that's why static, I'm gonna choose it public, static public void. Okay, I'm not gonna return any value, so that's why void. And my method name, let us say it is Selena. It is Selena. And here, okay, here I'm gonna type system.out.print. It should be Alan. Now why Alan? This is what you're gonna view later. So here I'm gonna type flower. Okay, so I'm gonna call this method here in the main method as it is public, so I can easily access it over here. So this is my main method and I'm gonna call it here. Okay, so for it I need to write the class name dot the method which is Selena. Okay, so it is called here. Now I want to inherit the properties of class snake, into the class inherit 1, So here what I'm gonna simply do, okay, first of all I'm gonna make it public, so that's why I can extend it over there, public. So here it is saying, okay, so now it's done. So here now my class is public class snake. Okay, so now first of all here it is not showing any packages, so first of all I'm gonna import a package and the package name is this, yes, inheritance 1. Okay, inheritance 1 is the package name, so I'm gonna import it here, import inheritance 1 dot it is my class name is snake, yes, it is snake. So now what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna extend this class inherit 1, I'm gonna extend this class. So for inheritance the keyword used is the extends. Okay, now here is the class that is inherit 1 which will inherit the properties of which class? It will be here, and that class is snake. Okay, so this is done. So this snake is what? this is the class which is being inherited, and this is the inheriting class. This is the inheriting class. Okay, so this class snake is known as a superclass, and this class is known as a subclass, which is inheriting. This is known as subclass, and which is being inherited, this is known as superclass. Okay, so the snake is my superclass, and inherit one is my subclass. So in it, I'm gonna create the main method. Okay, so let's create it. Public static void main string array and then argument. Okay, so this is my main method. Now here I'm gonna create another class. Let us say this class is class Justin. Okay, so this class is Justin. Okay, so this class is Justin, and under it I'm gonna do the same stuff I did earlier. Okay, so here I'm gonna write okay, first of all the method name, let it be static, bro. Static public void, and then here okay, so method name, I've got it. Okay, so the method name, let it be Taylor. Let it be Taylor. I know you're laughing. Let it be Taylor. Okay, so my method name is Taylor. Okay, what is this showing? Public static public void. Why is showing an error? Illegal static declaration in inner class. Okay, so let's create it again. So this is my class. Okay, I know where is the mistake. Okay, so don't you dare to do this mistake. Okay, so first of all, slap me, bro. So this is not, I'm not gonna create inner class, I'm gonna create another class. So you should be very careful about these braces. Okay, so after the ending of these braces, I'm gonna create my new class, okay, which is not a kind of part and parcel of this class inherit one. Okay, the class should not be the inner class of inherit one. It should not, it should be an isolated class. Okay, so now I'm gonna create class Justin. I'm gonna create class Justin, and in class Justin I'm gonna use my method, and that method should be static. Okay, static public and then void, and here is my method, and my method name is, let's say, Taylor. My method name is Taylor, and here what I'm gonna do, simply the same old stuff, system.out.println, and here I'm gonna print Lily. Okay, so I'm gonna call it here. So simply I can say Justin.Taylor. Okay, so it is now called here. Now here comes to the main part. Here comes to the topic inheritance. Now this class is inheriting the traits of class snake. If it is inheriting the traits of class snake, then it means that I can write here this thing. Okay, so I can just copy here and just paste it over here. Okay, so if I'll paste it over here, then I need not to write this all thing. I need not write this all code, this all stuff, this all thing. So it means that my time is saved. By the concept of inheritance, my time is saved. All I need to write is just one line. Okay, my boss came to me and said me that okay, Simmer, you need to create a program in which you need to have this part in that very program too, and you have to create hundreds of these kind of programs. So what I will do, I will just I will just use the concept of inheritance, and then I will just simple copy this one line over there. Okay, so I need not to write all this all of this code over there. So first of all, okay, I've just pasted it over here. So now if I'll run it, then yes, it is showing me the correct output. Okay, now here comes to another main part. Now if I'll not set it public, then let's have a look that what it's gonna tell now. Okay, so there is an error now. So it is saying snake is not public in inheritance, one cannot be accessed from outside package. So that's why it cannot be accessed from outside package, because it is not a public class. It is not publicly accessible to another classes. So that's why here what you're gonna write is public, and then you're gonna use the concept of inheritance over here. So this is how we can use it. Thank you so much.